we have a circle with center C. The radius of the circle is given by 4 centimeters. From C to S and from C to P, C to S is 4 centimeters. C to P is 4 centimeters as well. That is the radius of this circle. And PQ as well as SR are semicircles with diameter 4 centimeters. So from here, this entire length here is 4 centimeters. Part A, you need to show that angle PCS, this is the angle that we need to show, is 2 pi over 3 radians. To show that this angle is 2 pi over 3 radian, let's consider the case where you divide this into 2 parts. So this will give you half a circle. Then the angle PCS would be given by pi minus this angle as well as that. Since it is symmetrical, let's say this angle is theta, then the angle that is required, which is PCS, is pi minus 2 theta. So in order to find the angle theta, we can form a right triangle here. Since SR is a diameter with length of 4 centimeters, this is 2. Then from this right triangle, we can see that sine theta is 2 over 4 from the right triangle. Let's say this is M. Then from triangle CSM, we can see that sine theta is 2 over 4, which is 1 over 2, and theta is pi over 6. Then angle PCS is given by pi minus 2 theta here. So we have 2 times pi over 6, which is pi minus pi over 3. And we have 2/3 pi here. So that is part A. Part B, we need to find the exact perimeter of the plate. To find the perimeter of the plate, we need to find the length of PS, this arc length PS here. PS and QR will have the same arc length since this thing is symmetrical. And the arc length, so we have r theta for arc length. A is r theta. So this is r is 4, and theta is angle PCS from part A. This is 2 pi over 3, and that would be 8 over 3 pi. After that, we need to find the arc length of PQ. This is half a circle, and add to SR, that is another half a circle. So PQ plus SR, that is the circumference of a circle with a diameter of 4, and that circumference is given by pi d, so that is 4 pi here. So we have the circumference of one full circle with diameter of 4. Then in this case, the perimeter of the plate is PS plus QR. So we have twice of 8 over 3 pi plus 4 pi here. And that will give us 16 over 3 pi plus 4 pi, which is, that is 12. So we have 28 over 3 pi centimeters. Part C, we need to find the area of the plate. To find the area of the plate, we can find the area of PCS first. This is the same as the area of QCR. So let's look at QCR. That will give us the same area. These two areas are exactly the same. So we find the area of PCS. This is the same as area QCR. And that area is half R squared theta. This angle is 2 pi over 3. So we have half 4 squared times 2 pi over 3, which will give us 16 over 3 pi, the area of the shaded region. And now we need to find the area of this part here. So the area shaded in blue. To find the area shaded in blue, we find the area of triangle CSR, and then we subtract the area of the semicircle. So the area of triangle CSR, that is half times the base. The base is SR, which is 4, times the height. So the height is cm. In order to find the height cm, we look at triangle CSM. The hypotenuse is 4, this is 2. And cm here can be obtained using the Pythagorean theorem. So cm is the square root of 4 squared minus 2 squared. And that is square root of 12, which is 2 square roots of 3. Then the height is 2 square roots of 3. And the area of triangle CSR, that is 4 square root of 3. Then to find the area of the semicircle, the area of this semicircle is given by half pi r squared. R is 2, so we have 2 squared here, and that will give us 2 pi. Now these two areas are the same. So those areas shaded in blue are exactly the same. To find one area shaded in blue, the area in blue here, that is the area of the circle, which is 4 root 3 minus the area of the semicircle, which is 2 pi. The area of the entire plate, that will give us 2 times the area in yellow. The area in yellow is 16 over 3 pi. So we have 2 times 16 over 3 pi plus 2 times the area in blue. That is 4 root 3 minus 2 pi. So that will give us 32 over 3 pi plus 8 root 3 minus 4 pi. Then 32 minus 12 would be 20. We have 20 over 3 pi plus 8 square root 3 in squared centimeters.